Hi guys, Dr. Bridget here, and I am so excited. I have some news to share with you tonight. Starting today, February 28th, we're in our 2-week ticket sale for the Better Not Bitter Conference 2026. Okay, it runs through March 14th. You've been planning to attend where it is happening September 12th. This is the moment for you to secure your ticket. Don't wait now, because once these 2 weeks are over, the price will go up. Now, here's a special bonus. I'm really excited about this. For a limited time, you can upgrade to a VIP experience. You can get your conference ticket for $30, and for $20 more, you will receive an autographed copy of my new book, Better Not Bitter, Transform Through Forgiveness. That means you'll get both your ticket and your autographed book for $50. This is more than just a conference. This is a healing experience, a rebuilding experience, heart transforming experience. We want to be better. So go ahead, grab your ticket for within these next 2 weeks now. Okay? I cannot wait to see you there. And remember this, don't remember nothing else. We are becoming better, not bitter. Love you. See you soon.